Here are many familiar logos where reviews are given. Remember, reviews are more than just opinions. They're a critical part of the psychological sales cycle, influencing how people make decisions across various industries. And those reviews shape customer perception and fuel their choices. We use TripAdvisor when travelers are deciding on a hotel or restaurant. They're not just taking a look at the amenities, they're reading what others have experienced. And those reviews build trust and can turn a casual browser into a committed customer. With Angie and Home Advisor, homeowners aren't just hiring a contractor, they're seeking peace of mind knowing that others have had positive experiences. See, reviews here aren't just nice to have, they're essential for building a reliable reputation. Especially if your project is of high worth on platforms like Yelp, restaurant success can hinge on its reviews. Diners often just don't choose where to eat based on the experience of others. They choose to see the photos and the experiences and the ratings and the likes. There's so many different components on some of these sites. For example, on Yelp, that positive review is one component that can drive traffic. There are many others as well. And the negative ones, they could be a big problem. Google reviews are front and center when people search for businesses. These reviews aren't just part of the decision-making process, they are often the decision to continue with what's next in the process. And a strong Google rating increases visibility and instantly builds credibility. On Amazon and Best Buy, reviews guide purchasing decisions. They offer social proof that a product is worth buying. They help customers feel confident, whether they're techie or not, that this is the right product to buy. And they're okay with waiting, as long as the reviews support the need and the value it provides. In real estate, Zillow reviews give buyers and sellers the assurance they need to work with a particular agent. A solid set of reviews can elevate an agent's standing dramatically, attracting new listings or potential sales from their presence. And although there are many other review sites out there when it comes to healthcare, ZocDoc reviews are crucial. Patients rely on them to choose their doctor, seeking comfort in knowing others have had positive experiences. And these are just some examples. There are hundreds, if not even more, types of sources of truth that customers look at to shape their decisions, many in just one category. This is just an example of what's out there. The bottom line is this: reviews aren't going anywhere. They're deeply embedded in how we make decisions today. They're not just about influencing opinions, they're about driving actions, driving revenue, and understanding and managing reviews is essential for any business looking to succeed in today's competitive marketplace.